throw away your ketchup pot. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some wonder with that, and seriously guys, it will ease your life in another level. You should know it before. So guys, we just have to wash it very well after that, and then let's go to the recipe. That guys, it's amazing. Don't forget to clean it very well, okay? So it won't be any little bit of ketchup or mayonnaise, because you can use any pot, okay? Now in a bowl, let's beat 1 egg, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, a coffee spoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and let's mix it all, okay? Then guys, let's add a cup of flour and mix everything very well. Look how beautiful our batter is already. Don't forget to put a tablespoon of baking powder as well. Here you're gonna know the tip and also the recipe. Now we are going to put all of this batter inside of the pot, okay? Just like this, guys, there's no secret for that. I put everything until it was all filled. And now I'm gonna teach you guys why we are going to use it, okay? Now guys, in a frying pan, we are going to pour this batter to make our little pancakes. Seriously guys, look at it. I'm pretty sure you weren't prepared for this wonder. Just wait for it to be cooked on one side, then turn it on the other side, that you will fry your pancakes here. And then you have your American pancakes done. Seriously guys, you can make it on the size you prefer. Look how many of them I made it. And the best thing, you can freeze your batter, take it to the fridge, let it there and use it whenever you want to. Here I put some honey on top of it to give a very special touch to it, and seriously guys, there's nothing better than that. Now I want to make it every morning to have breakfast because it's perfect. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. The best thing about this video is the secret, right? The tip with the ketchup pot. I'm pretty sure you have never thought about it. It's super difficult to make these pancakes with just a spoon. You will make a whole mess with it, but now you can put the amount you want to. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, guys, and see ya.